Let's review SPY, which holy crap, if you guys watch this thing, we have been following this every day. And I told you it doesn't want to go below 420. It was the 420 and 421 is what we've been following. Here's 421. This was 420. See them? This is what it's been following. And I told you guys the market didn't want to do it. And I told you guys to mark 420 in gold. Does everybody remember this? So I've been saying this for days. And I told you the same thing that happened here. If it comes down to this level, this was the Thursday. I said, if it comes down to this level and bounces, you probably have high a day or at least go green. And it did. It went green and had high a day, which was barely, but it did. Right here. See it? Right where it was before. And it ended up green. Same exact same thing played out Friday. Identical. It bounced off our key level that we had called here at 421. It came up and the open, it pulled back, touched right here at 420, took off the rest of the day. So what's the lesson in this? The lesson was we had a key level of support that we've been talking about for a week. This has been in here for a week. You can see it did the same thing down here at 422. And then it started bouncing inside of this range. Check this out. You guys see all this? So you had 1, 2, 3, 4 trading days. We've been talking about that same level, haven't we? So 4 days out of 5 last week, I kept telling you guys, if it cannot break that 421 and 420 level, it's just going to keep going to the upside because that is support. And I told you guys gold level at 420. This was the absolute buck stops here. It came down here, big bounce here. 421s were all in here, and of course we got it again on Friday. Can everybody see that? How big that level was? So 2-minute EWO on SPY, obviously choppy in the first 30 minutes. It was really tough. You can see right here is the first 30-minute mark. So this was pretty tough. I understand. And also, if you guys look at this, undecided. Can you guys see how those have not gone either way? Look at that chop and all around VWAPs. Everybody see it?
Yes, sir.
I mean, that's pretty rough, right? So if we're like, oh, I'm going to trade it, I'm going to be a hero, this is tough. Now here's what sucks. And this is why I tell you guys, right? Make sure you have a little bit of gunpowder left because this would suck. What if you wasted all your time inside a chop and it can't make a definitive decision off VWAP? And then you missed this one. This one right here. See it? This is why I tell you, you're usually on average on the 2-minute EWO, you're going to have an average of 1 to 5 trades a day. That's what it's going to give you. 1 to 5 entries for an EWO. That's all there ever usually is. Because listen, if the stock is changing colors more than 5 times, you don't want it anyways because it can't make up its mind ever, right?